Hey guys, it's later in the arvo now. I'm starting to pack the car, well the van I suppose, for the markers. That's just closed in there. We're going to show you some of the stuff that I'm taking. Kimmy's here. Might as well show you too, Kymmy. This is just stuff I'm taking tomorrow. That's a Tommy high. Why do you say that? High flinger or something?
Tommy, I don't know. Hell flinger.
Hell.
Whatever.
Now remember we picked these up?
Yeah.
And you're like, oh look. I'm like, oh, these are great. Aviation magazines. Remember that was curbside?
Yes, yes.
And you're like, what the hell, Gavin?
Yeah.
So we're taking them to market tomorrow. Let's hope I sell them.
Oh, yeah, that's what you're right.
There's some more books in here, some DVDs. Garbage, good band. Human Nature. Good pair of shoes down there. This is just... That's a really cool book that I scored. A little box. What's in this one? I remember got that curbside and just some DVDs and stuff. Look at this Tonka soap.
Oh, that's cute. Really cute. What's in here?
It's just an empty box.
Oh, okay.
That's that Capodimonte. I've got that on eBay at like hundreds of dollars, but I'm sick of it and I'll probably break it. This stuff that we've had from Nambour. There's some better stuff in here. Yeah, a couple of old torches. Didn't even know we still had that. There's some stuff I've even priced. Look at me, pricing stuff. Some old cameras. There's a heap of old books. That's surfing magazines. That there's an aluminium ice bucket. Different. Some toys, a couple of fishing reels. Bits and bobs there, a couple of speakers. So the idea, right, is all this is going to go in the van. Then I put the van's going to go onto the trailer. Move the trailer a bit forward a bit. I'm not taking the push bikes. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'll probably scrap them because nobody's buying them. And they've been out in the rain for I don't know how long. So that's still been packed from whenever I did the market last. Did I go do the market last week?
I don't think so.
I don't know.
No, it was raining.
Was it?
Yeah.
It's been. We've had some rain, haven't we, babe? Oh! I tell you what, grab the scales and I'll have a weigh in. I said I was going to have a weigh in.
I got them out ready. I don't know which way they go because these are weird scales.
Just put them on the ground and wherever I step on it, I'll work it out. And we'll turn it around the way it's supposed to go. It should turn on with my foot.
If you just stand on it, it turns on.
Oh, we got it the right way.
Oh, we did. I'm smart.
All right. Okay. So, what was I before? 74. No, 90.
Hell, 94 or something.
94.8 or something. All right. So, what am I weighing now?
Stand still.
91.9. So, I've
Lost roughly.
roughly 3 kilos.
Yeah.
That's
Very
not.
good.
That's not a lot, is it?
Oh.
I thought I'd wake up skinny.
Yeah, I told you, you delusional bro.
It's not going down. Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, it did. Went down.
91.4. See, I lost weight. Just the air from my mouth. So let's say 3 kilos.
Yeah.
That I've lost from doing my fast, which somebody has pointed out to me wasn't actually a fast because I cheated and had
Who did that?
one of the people on the, because I said I fasted, but I cheated because I had honey and I had black tea.
But you didn't eat.
No, I didn't eat.
No.
No, I had chocolate at 9 o'clock this morning. I felt sick.
Yeah, those people don't know what they're talking about.
Well, it's pretty good.
Yeah,
And I don't feel bad for it,
well, that's good.
you know. So yeah, so all this is going in there. I know what I'm doing, and Caboose Market tomorrow. You coming with me at like 3 a.m?
Maybe.
You won't come with me at 3 a.m.
Maybe.
You lie. You stay in bed.
I've been looking online for nice salads.
Have you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, remember that Caesar salad you made me? The best thing you've ever made me.
It was a pack of them.
No, I didn't know that. But I didn't know, remember?
No.
So she cooked me this beautiful meal and stuff.
The lasagna was shit.
It was shit.
It was shit. I admit that.
Yeah. And anyway, so I had the Caesar salad before that. And I'm going, oh, no. And I didn't eat lasagna, really. I'm like, and then I said, but baby, that Caesar salad made you was fantastic. That's what I've had. Then she says, I bought it in the shop. So it's been a joke between us ever since. Yes. I had Caesar salad today.
Yes, you said you
did. Yeah, that's what I did. All right, well, I've lost some weight.
Yes, you have.
Marcus, it looks cloudy now, but it says that it's going to be good. All right, well, I don't know if we're going to cook.
I don't know.
Tonight.
It's up to you.
It's like it's 6 o'clock now.
I'm going to join him on his weight loss.
Weight loss thing?
Yeah.
Without cutting off limbs, we're going to lose weight.
Yeah, or killing each other.
Yeah. Well, I didn't put any videos up at all.
No.
I basically stayed home.
I'm not doing a water fast.
No.
But it depends.
Well, you drink a lot of water anyway.
Yeah, but it depends too. I work in the kitchen.
Yeah, you pick.
I do. When you go in the fridge and there's like cheesecake and profiteroles and all this good
They are
food.
good, the profiteroles, aren't they?
Really
so I'm trying to keep away from sugar and seed oil.
Oh, okay.
And I bought for dinner tonight, I bought sweet potato instead of normal potato.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, and broccoli, carrots, breast chicken. Whether or not we get around, it's going to be 7 o'clock before I finish doing this shit.
That's all right, baby.
So we might do it tomorrow night for dinner.
Yeah.
You know, if you're staying here tomorrow night, if I'm coming to yours. All right. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll do it tomorrow then. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to finish off packing the car for tomorrow morning, and I'll see you guys when I get back for the market tomorrow Sunday. You'll see whatever I'm up to then. Yeah. Kimmy's going to come down and help pack up.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
I am.
Yeah. So she'll come later and help us pack up. So you'll see her then at the market. I'll come about 10.
Okay.
Well, that's what I'd do.
Of course you would.
Because otherwise you're there for too long.
Yeah, and I spend too much money.
Yeah. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Love you all. Bye.